RUDA is 5 letters. R2uda. RUDA aims. 1. RUDA shall promote international, national human rights everywhere in human beings, in totality. RUDA shall promote international unity and internal unity among society members. RUDA shall promote total democracy and general democracy, people to become democratic ones all over the world, to have total access in their democracy. RUDA shall protect and assist, provide transport for all Rwandan returnees, African returnees, wherever they are, to come back home safely. In the lineage of safe and sound, RUDA shall promote Rwandan, East African, African, and world economic development in top gear in all 24/7, ever and ever. RUDA shall promote the culture of developing the stages of economic development and economic systems in Rwanda, East Africa, Africa, and the entire world. RUDA is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advances for 200 good many causes. N'ishyaka nyarwanda riharanira ubumwe bw'abanyarwanda muri demokarasi yihuse ku mpamvu nziza nyinshi 200. Uburyohe bw'abanyarwanda budatera diabete haba. RUDA shall be ever and ever promoting love, equality, fraternity, liberty, and total democracy in impartialism ever and ever, without any segregations among Rwandans, East Africans, Africans, and the entire world citizens whatsoever. RUDA is aiming at fighting ignorance in top gear, fighting literacy in another second gear, fighting poverty in totality, poverty in heads. If is fought, if is defeated, then poverty in pockets will have to run away immediately without any hesitation. RUDA is aiming at fighting diseases, the visible diseases and the non-visible ones, internal and the external ones, in other words. Therefore, RUDA shall maximize in high science and technology in the lineage of discovering solutions and resolutions medically. RUDA shall industrialize Rwanda, East Africa and Africa and the entire world to industrialize everywhere and to promote total industrialization in all human societies, by all means at any cost whatsoever, in 24/7, year after year. RUDA shall promote agriculture, in all economic sectors and in all farming section. Here I mean rearing of animals and plus cultivation in its section. RWANDA shall fight racism among world people, basing here in Rwanda, East Africa and Africa. Because God created the people without any racism. Therefore, this is not God. It is a sin and it is a crime before the Lord. RWANDA shall fight all the root causes of the past divisionism featured the past periods present in order to avoid this cancer and its branches in the future people or future societies, whereby we need to build the unit of all people globally in good atmosphere. RWANDA shall fight and remove all the refugee problems in Rwanda, East Africa, Africa, and the entire world by making everybody returning back home peacefully without any attached strings or any segregations, as it had been since time immemorial, or it has been. RWANDA shall promote the personal rights on property, life, into existence, and shall promote lifespan to everybody whatsoever to maximize well-beings of the citizens. We shall fight this kind of lacking of active laws and active democracy. We are going to bring the active sounding laws and working systems in law enforcement and people of all kinds of near and far shall be enjoying peace, stability of long run. We shall provide personal security and general security in a top gear. We shall increase food security, water security, soil security, human security, environmental security, political security, in order to protect other economic securities, social securities, due to this political security and plus, just to mention but a few. We shall fight the culture of impunity, whereby people are making crimes unnecessarily due to lack of good justice and judgment. and lack of personal security and general security due to existing so-called powerful men and women spoiling other people's rights and the total democracy and putting the world or the states in danger. So we have come, we the ruler and the rulers, to make the world the better environment and better world to live in. We are going to fight corruption. Ubu buriganya tuzaburwanya. Fighting bribation. Ruswa. Kuyitanga no kuyakira. Byose ni bibi. Segregation. We shall be fought in totality. These are the sources of injustices. You find that people are busy making industries manufacturing injustices among society members. National-wide, continent-wide, world-wide. Teasing shall not be allowed in society members. Embezzling or embezzlement of resources, be it here in Rwanda, East Africa or the entire world. Resource protection in top gear. If you steal it, you shall pay it in 5 times. Hijacking shall not be accepted whatsoever. Deculturizing people's cultures in societies. We shall promote good behaviors. We shall not accept destroying people's lives and property. We shall disencourage disappointments of all kinds. We shall not allow the arrows of terrorism to target society members, both sexes or ages. We shall reverse it to total security in humanity, working 24/7 in total and general security. Killing shall not sound again within all societies. Kukumwera wavaga ibukuru wakwiraga hose, bwacaga wakwiriye hose. Abayobozi ntibazongera, ntibagomba no kongera kwica abaturage, kuko inyoni nkuru itoza intoya kuguruka. N'aba bategetsi bicaga abakene, abaturage, none n'abaturage bakica. Kirazira. Hari ibihano bikomeye cyane by'insimbura gifungo bazajya bakora muri leta. Nibarangiza bakorere n'ingo zabo, nibarangiza bakorere nabo bahemukiye. Rebelling shall not be there, because everyone shall be secured under the umbrella of general security in societies. There shall be no genocide or genocide, because every society values and advantages shall be enjoyed by everyone in all society, by all society members, without any segregations. Abusing shall not be there. There shall be total joy for everybody. Neglecting others, that shall be not there in our societies, because rulers have come to join and protect everyone under common protection Therefore, Rwanda shall build herself strongly, economically, politically, socially, in humanity and in total democracy, economic development, unity, and human advancement in high science and technology in every section of lives whatsoever. This is RWANDA President Barafinda SEKIKUBO Fred, the peaceful president. The president the world, Africa have gained. Therefore, this is the man you have been waiting for long ago, for a long time, and has been the corner coming, but now is at the real surface, whereby everybody can have access to observe that greatest man in all, with good leadership in total human rights, in the quickest democracy, the new kind of democracy, whereby the world is going to enjoy all kinds of promised factors and factories promised by God through Jesus, Nabi Muhammad and Buddha. You can visit this website of ours with the rulers at www.RWANDA.tk. You can call RWANDA President Barafinda SEKIKUBO Fred at plus 250 78 34 28 622. You can also find me on my Facebook, Bara FBS. You will see me seated there with my Rongo hammer. Then you will find me even on Twitter, I'm there, on Instagram, I'm there, YouTube, you just put RWANDA, that is R2uda, or put there Barafinda SEKIKUBO Fred and search. You will find the RWANDA President in every corners of YouTube. And this is the RWANDA President, founder, legal representative in internal affairs and the external affairs globally. The peaceful political party in the whole world. This Barafinda is the new kind of the president all over the world, whereby peace is going to be the general asset of all, not a few. DUKUNGAHAZE abana kare tubashingira konte yabo. Konte y'umwana izajya ishirwaho ubwiteganyirize bw'amashuri akivuka, bikozwe n'ababyeyi, abaterankunga bombi, ab'imbere mu gihugu n'abo mu mahanga, hamwe na leta. Umwana azajye ayigengaho iyo konte agejeje imyaka yo gufata irangamuntu, aziga amashuri abanza n'ayisumbuye ku buntu, kaminuza agabanyirizwe, bose bige. Ibyo bizanaba bibaye imbaturabukungu ya kiremwa muntu ku isi hose. Ibyo bizagirira bose umumaro, isi yose, imigabane yose, umutekano, umudendezo, uburenganzira bwa muntu buzaba bugezweho. Uyu ni perezida nyaperezida, perezida wakataraboneka, perezida Barafinda Sekikubo Fred, perezida nyaperezida the real president, the peaceful president, perezida w'amahoro gusa. Let us all together be together, work together, live together, love one another, together develop Rwanda, East Africa, Africa, and the entire world. Thank you very much indeed. This is the RWANDA president all over the world.